Okay, welcome back. Now it is time to go and start learning something about list in Python. Okay, let's create a list of py. Now we have it here. Okay, list is another type of thing, another type in Python. Okay, so how can we create a list in Python? So let's create a variable first. Let's name it name or list. I don't know how to name it. Just names. It is equal to. So in list we use square bracket. Okay. So here I'm going to give some names. For example, name at. And then use schema to separate each value. The next one is going to be John. Next one is going to be Ali. Okay. Right now our list has 3 values. So I want to print all the values. So I use print and then names and then hit Control S. Let's come right in here and use Python list.py. Right now you see we have everything right here. Okay. So this is one way that we can print this. And remember, lists in Python, lists are indexed. Okay. So this has index number 0, this one has index number 1, this has index number 2. So here I'm going to specify that. Okay, so let's use number 1. I want to print the first one or the second one. Okay, second one. And let's see which one is going to be printed. So you see it is John. Now if I use 0 and here you see it is giving me name at. Okay, so what if I want to print from 0 up to 2? Okay, there's another way we can do it. It will give me 0 and number 1, and the last one is not going to be defined. So if you want to see number if you want to see Ali 2, so you need to specify that by 3. So what if I don't give anything? Okay, and now you see it is giving me all. If I have more, it will give me 4. So that means we start from here and then it's continue until it's finished. And also we can do that like this too. For example, now I'm going to tell this that start from the beginning up to number 3. So now it will give me all and everything. If I change it back to number 2, it will only give me 2 of them. Okay, name at and John. What if I ask for the last one, and now it's only giving me Ali. So it is how lists work. Okay, we can store a lot of things inside list, not just name or a string. We can store number as well. Okay, so save it and let's remove the index right now. Okay, now you see we have name at John Ali 1 2 and 2 3. So that is how it works. That is called a list. So let's go and see what is tuple and also what is set, what is dictionary, and a lot of things. Okay, see you.